Hello and welcome back to Emory Board Production. I want to take something we did a little bit earlier. It's just simple addition, and it's using action language, and for addition it will be joined with, but we're going to take an experiment that we did with underwater scuba divers a few weeks ago, and we're certainly just taking 1 joined with 2 joined with 4 to find a solution, and we'll add, of course, some meaning to that as well. But some students are not even going to be able to use the representative numbers and language right off the bat to solve a problem like this. So I want to point your attention to, if you've not yet taught yourself the joy of working with sea rods, those rods that start in denominations from 1 and go up to 10 and break up into a multitude of addition problems as well as multiplication, subtraction, and division, will help you with your kids that really need to have their hands on solid manipulatives, concrete ones if you will, and help them develop lasting equivalence. In the problem that we just went over, certainly the problem is just one of adding 1 and 2 and 4 together, and we can certainly come up with, and this hurts us sometimes because it's so easy for us, we can come up with the answer to the problem, which is 7, and it's going to be 7 experiments, but we'll get to that in a minute. But if you allow kids to work with these sea rods and discover for themselves that the 1 sea rod, which is worth 1, and the 2, which is about double that, or exactly double that, and the 4, put together in a train, make the same size as the black sea rod beneath them, which equals the number 7, you will see that they develop an appreciation for this lasting equivalence, if you will, and in the end will be better ready and able to then take on the representative meaning of 1 joined with 2 joined with 4 equals 7, and of course the textbook meaning later on that'll say 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 7, and that is 7 experiments. If we go back and look at that video entitled simply Action Language. Thanks for tuning in to Emory Board Productions, and I hope you learned a little bit more about action language and lasting equivalence, as well as using sea rods.